Alright guys, how's it going? Small loss today. Um, Fucking pretty stupid loss now. I'm getting it. I'm kind of crashing out a bit. Took a poor loss Friday, nothing yesterday, and I'm just getting impatient, man. I just need to stay patient. This is where most traders go wrong. They run out of patience and they crash out and they lose trades, albeit a small loss. Um, that's the only pro I think of my trade. I cut my losses early. I originally had my stop loss here for about $500, but we got this huge rejection wick, and I was like, "This is my saving grace." I got out around here for about $200. So, anyways, guys, let's get into this. I was looking at a couple different trades today, but they never presented themselves. One trade that was about to be like so A plus, but okay, let's get into this. Market open. So coming into the day, we're very bearish, just dumping. But I could have seen longs because we had a bunch of LR here with an unfilled 1 hour. So the condition coming into today was this 15 minute here. If this gets respected, I'll take longs. If this gets disrespected, I'll take continuation shorts. And let me just show you something. So we were in this weekly gap, which is why I could have seen longs, but shorts were very possible as well. We had this daily gap that was aligned right in the center of this weekly gap, which is C of the gap that we edged. So I could have seen shorts play out pretty easily. So we had that daily gap edged, low resistance on both sides. So the 15 minute was my condition. Here's gonna delete it. Here, 15 minute market open. We dump through it, take out all the draws, take out the daily gap, and at this point we hit like we're just dumping. We hit a 15 minute gap, I believe. I've deleted all my markers, so I think I was looking for longs here because we needed a rebalance. So I was looking for a long there, I'm pretty sure. We resweep, but we edge a low, and we also get no fair value gaps to inverse, so I didn't take it because if I'm looking for longs in this bearish of structure, I'm gonna need it to be super A plus. So I faded that. It would have been break even anyway. But we come down, we take out another 15 minute intermediate low, I believe, from like all the way over here, like months ago. Okay, let me just take some clutter off the screen. This is probably aids for you guys looking at it. So we have an unfilled 5 minute here, and we have a 5 minute intermediate high here, which is also a 15 minute that got edged. Now this could have been seen as a protected high, but I didn't think so because we had this generated high here. If this was a 15 minute on its own, but it was also a 5 minute intermediate high, I would see that as protected because it's a breakaway gap. But because we edged it there, I didn't. So why didn't I take this long? Wait 1 sec. Is there like a 5 minute or something? Yeah, there was a 5 minute. So I was looking at this 5 minute, but I ended up just not taking it. I waited for a 5 minute continuation, which we never got. We never tapped into it. So now from this point, shorts were looking nice. If we look at ES, we have tons of low resistance liquidity, and we have high time frame low resistance liquidity as well. Boom, boom, boom. Relative equal lows here. So, and we hit, delete this. hit a 15 minute, hit this very premium 15 minute. On NQ, we hit this 15 minute and equilibrium of this range. So shorts were looking nice here, but we kind of just kept ripping. I was looking for a short here, which, hold up. All right, sorry, this is the short I took. So this 5 minute didn't close, but the next one did. So I shorted there. And at this point, it's 11 o'clock. Volatility's gone out of the market. Man, it's not the worst trade, but I'll tell you why it's kind of a bad trade. We opened this 1 hour gap. So there's an unfilled 1 hour at my stop loss, which is not ideal at all, with a unfilled 5 minute right above. If we hit this 1 hour, say if we like create this 1 hour, accumulate a little bit, hit that, and then go down, it would have been a good trade, even though it's after 11. But the unfilled 1 hour is just, it was stupid to take. But let's see, if I would have got stopped out, I would have got raped. So I was right to cut my losses there. But yeah, bad price action recently, in my opinion. I know some people are getting dubs, but yesterday we just dumped, no entry. Today we dumped. There's, I don't know. It's hard to read, man. It's quite hard to read. So my P&L is at, so I need 4K balance. It's at 2.1K. I know we shouldn't worry about P&L, but so what's that, like four one-to-ones? Yeah, so today's loss and Friday's loss is a bit of a setback, but we come back stronger. And yeah, I just got to stay patient for the rest of the week, man. It's only Tuesday. We got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Tomorrow's FOMC, so I'll see if we're moving well. Good volume tomorrow. We'll trade if we will, if we are. But yeah, it looks like we're going for these highs now. Yeah, not the worst loss, only 200. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll leave a link to TradeZetta in the description for 20% off. I get a little bit of money as well if you sign up. Hey guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.